All right, so here is the GameStop at Patchogue, New York. It is Wednesday, June 4th, about to be Thursday, June 5th for the midnight launch here. And this is GameStop right here, and Best Buy is over there. And you have a line over there of a bunch of people and a line over here of a bunch of people. Best Buy has the pre-orders separated by pre-orders. So if you come this way, let's just take a drive over here since I got my glasses on. This line right over here on the right is the line for non-pre-orders. So these are all non-pre-ordered people here. These are people who haven't secured a pre-order. I almost crashed over here. The lights are still off over here. And then the line on this side, on the left side over here, is a line for people who have already secured their pre-order online for pickup and have an idea, a positive idea or whatever it is. Here, this guy's sitting over here on his chair. Now, if we turn around, let's turn around here, and it's telling me to put my seatbelt on, which I will put on here. Let's turn around and let's take a look at there are cars here coming around. Let's go look at GameStop one more time. And if you look at GameStop, you will notice there are more cars coming in. So there are people trying to get a last minute order of a Nintendo Switch, which is fine. I already have mine pre-ordered from Walmart, but decided to come over here just to take a quick little peek here as to what the crowd was looking like. Okay, and GameStop's line is looking long as well. I'll go ask. Oh, don't want to run this guy over here. We have coolers here and everything. There are people lining up as we speak. There is a big crowd here. Check this out. People are probably getting pretty feisty over here. There are a good number of people here. There's kids.
For making this midnight as simple as possible.
Oh, it is simple. There you go. And those are the lines so far right here in Patchogue and Long Island. So a lot of people here in Long Island. Well, here we go. Best Buy has yet to turn on their lights over here. So what's the difference in the line between both lines?
That one is, I think, is a pre-order, and this one over here is you have to have the ticket. So that one, I think, is pre-order.
Okay. Oh, interesting. So they ran out of tickets, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Okay, so no more tickets here and no more tickets at GameStop.
I don't know. I don't work here.
Okay, no problem. I'm just asking.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not quite sure, but.
All right, so it's 12:05. The doors have opened for both Best Buy and GameStop here. I was talking to a grandfather here, right over here. Andy, good luck. They got online. He got the last Switch 2 ticket for Best Buy at 8:30 p.m. today. It's already 12:05. Apparently somebody got lucky and got one 10 minutes ago for a last minute Switch 2 that they had found, which is great because I was here 15 minutes ago. So if I would have asked, I would have gotten one, but it is what it is. I have one coming in tomorrow morning. But people are leaving with their Nintendo Switch 2s, as you can see. But they are both already gone. No more tickets for each. People are celebrating over here, getting all crazy and unhappy or whatever. But yeah, that's it. I will be waiting for my Nintendo Switch 2 tomorrow morning. And that's it. That is it. That is live from Best Buy and GameStop here in Patchogue, Long Island. But I will be going home. I will not be waiting on this line. I'm going to go play Expedition 33 on my PS5 and await my delivery, hopefully soon, of my Switch 2. Now I just got to find my car. Where the hell did I park it? All right. Well, take care, guys, and good luck on your Switch 2 journey. Where the hell is my car? Oh, it's over there. All right. Ciao.